Hey YouTube, Untamed here. So, the day has come. I've officially traded in the Tundra TRD Pro. Many of you are thinking, what do you mean the day has come? I thought you loved this thing. And I do. I absolutely love this. I love this Tundra. I love the powertrain so much. I love this glorious 5.7 liter V8. I love the rumble that this TRD catback exhaust had, and I'm gonna miss it greatly. However, something else is in store, and many of you who have been watching my channel probably know exactly what that is. So I'll show you that here in a second. And no, it is not that. It is not the Sequoia TRD Pro, although it does look glorious. I'll show you that here in a second. So it is not that, and at this point many of you are already guessing what it is, but I'll hold off for a minute. And I'll finish my walk around, my farewell tribute to the Tundra here. As you see, we got rid of the Go Rhino. I removed all of the goodies I put on it. You know, no sense of trading them into the dealer when they're going to get the same trade value. I will do another video talking through what exactly the numbers look like for this, and some of you guys are going to be a little baffled, I think. Bottom line is, I didn't lose a thing on the Tundra here at the end of the day. In fact, you can maybe argue I made a little bit by how much they dropped the price of what I got, over $10,000. So we'll talk more about that in another video. But as you guys can see, brought it back down to the stock simpleton form. Even put on these, I swapped on these stock 275/65 18 tires, you know, used tires that were not that great, so I can keep my Nitto Ridge grapplers, as you guys know. As I only put really about 4,000 or 5,000 miles on the grapplers. Altogether, I think I've owned this for about a little bit more than a half a year total, so which is sad to say out loud. But even removed the backflip tonneau cover that I had on, if you guys recall, that was back here. So remove that, and I'll just sell those secondhand to somebody who can make better use of them than a dealer. Let's look at this real quick. The one thing I don't like about this is how bubbly they are. I guess bubbly like the tail lights are. I'm not a huge fan of that, but it does look pretty sleek, all blacked out. Pop up to the front. How much do they want for this? You guys can see it. So 65,400. Pretty sleek front end. I do like these newer headlights that they have on them. It does look good. So similar to the Tundra, I do think that they are worthy to have a little bit beefier tires straight from the factory, because that is the factory look of the Tundra TRD Pro right here. And it just does not seem fitting with those tires, does it? All right, guys. Well, let's do the grand reveal of what I got. Like I said, if you guys have been following my channel at all, you know exactly what you're about ready to see. And there you have it. So this is a 2020 Toyota, I almost said Tundra, listen to me. 2020 Land Cruiser Heritage Edition. I will do a lot more videos of this. Let me shut the door here for fun. Give me a full side shot. So shout out Toyota of Laramie here in Wyoming. They definitely did a really good job at hooking me up and making it a really good deal that I felt really, really good about. Again, I'll talk through all the numbers in detail in a different video if you guys are interested in hearing that. I am beyond stoked to have this. Got the heritage bronze wheels on the BBSs, which I think look beautiful. They're the same ones on the Tundra TRD Pro, but of course bronze. I think it just looks beautiful. So because I love the Tundra so much, I think I'm gonna especially love this. You know, finer finishes, of course. Still, you get the same simplistic feel and appeal that makes the Tundra so great, that made the Tundra so great. And of course, the same engine, 5.7 liter V8, 381 horsepower, 401 torque. Let's pop in. We'll show you the Yakima Warrior roof basket. We'll do a more in-depth video, of course, once we get it tucked away at home, but we're gonna show you first impression here at the dealership as I'm getting it. And guys, let me tell you, there is just a different feel. If you've been in a Land Cruiser, you know exactly what I'm talking about. But if you have not, it may look pretty simple. I get it, but there is a different feel, guys. Like these seats, like they're legitimate leather. It just feels phenomenal. Of course, plenty of space back there for the love bug and for the family. Some argue that this is extremely dated, and I agree with that to some degree. But again, you know, for the next generation Land Cruiser, they're going to be spaceships in here, I imagine, which I think a lot of people will be quick to miss this. So I think this is the last of the true Land Cruiser in my naive opinion, admittedly. But I love it. Hope you guys like it too. I hope you guys still want to stick around and check out some of my content. Hopefully put that GoPro to use and actually get some off-roading fun for you. I'm trying to show you guys the flake in this paint. I don't know if you can see it, and I know it's probably not coming up too well, and I'm sorry, but there is this blue flake, silver and blue flake throughout the entire thing, and I think it just looks glorious. And you don't see it in photos, and you probably don't see it too well in the video here, but it just looks phenomenal. At any rate, guys, I will wrap up the video there. Don't want to belabor the point on first intro here, but just want to kind of walk you through my first impressions and let you guys know I'm beyond excited to share this experience with you guys, and I appreciate you guys following me along. Until next time, thanks for watching.